install.
Okay, let's not use that one. Let's use the slides.
Okay.
There you are.
Does it have the download link on the slides?
Yeah. Oh, you don't have the link? So you can get the link from the initial place, but let's follow the install instructions on the slides.
Let's see. I want this one, and I want the web version. Okay. Nope. Just want the download. Okay. Let's see, where did I put the slides on? There we go. This must be upgrade. Yes, upgrade it. I did not get that the first time, so this already looks way more promising.
Okay, full.
Full. Okay. Next. I think yes. Still says
So the folders are there.
okay. Yes. Continue. I did have this error to begin with, but for some reason it's not connected.
So if you don't install that first, just click next.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Execute.
Oh, you did the web install. Okay.
Yeah.
I just have never learned to not trust that, and I always do the local install. It's not why it broke. It's just that's just a matter of I prefer doing it locally. That way, like if the internet has chose that moment to hiccup,
sure,
it doesn't stop anything. Yeah, because the instructions don't mention that error that comes about. You must install Visual Studio to 1.2.9.
Why is that happening? Because like, is it just something that is it on MySQL side or is it on Visual Studio side where the error is actually happening?
It's not an error per se. It's just saying, hey, if you don't have this installed, not everything is going to run correctly, which is fine because what they're saying is not going to run correctly. It's not something we're going to use anyway.
Okay.
As you're trying to do like integration service packages or reports or something like that. So. Because I went through the process. You had to install the Java part. That had to be there. But then I tried to install, I was going through the install instructions like you guys did to make sure it made sense. And when I tried to install the Visual Studio link, they're like, well, you need to install full-blown Visual Studio. I'm like, no one's got time to install and download Visual Studio.
No time.
So yeah, so you're getting that stuff done. Okay. Yeah, the previous semester has got to be a little challenging with VMware.
Yeah, no, that sounds awful. So why didn't the previous semesters use MySQL to begin with? Just the curriculum wasn't matched up for that?
Right, the curriculum, it was a homegrown curriculum that they had done and been using for the last several years, and it was a good curriculum, don't get me wrong. But the problem was trying to get VMware down on the DMSX file, DTSX files. Download became a nightmare, and then they wanted to use Docker. But they came into the same problem, even though it was a smaller download for the server, the Docker, it was still failing in a lot of places. So they're just like, we're just gonna install locally. Install MySQL locally on people's computer, and that doesn't screw up too much. So, and really, I think giving you guys the experience of installing a SQL system is probably a really good thing. Okay, you're good there.
All right, so just finish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Brings up shell, brings up workbench. Okay. Okay, so do you want me to go back into the local instance?
Hang on a second.
Because what's different is there should be another like 9 steps.
Yeah, and that's what I'm trying to see why you didn't get those 9 steps.
When I was fiddling with it before, I don't know exactly what I did, but I went back to the installer and it brought up a new menu that I'd never seen before. Even in the
Try that.
past when I did
Close
this.
out Workbench and oh, you
Okay.
didn't download it though. So yeah, run the
Let's see.
installer.
There should still be an install. I'll check my downloads really quick because I
Yeah.
think there should still be one.
Yeah, you just get the little one. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see. Maybe you'll yell at me. Tell me I already have it installed. See, yeah, it brought me this. Okay. And here it wasn't a perfect match, but it's close. So if I go to configure, it brings me here, and that's right.
Yeah, good. Okay.
So I'm like, yeah, I want that. Yeah, use the encryption. And then, yeah, cool. I'll create a password really quick.
Yep. Actually, if you want to make it live, you hit back.
Hit back.
Yeah, hit the back.
Okay.
And oh, you're fine. Yeah, just you're fine. You're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do this. Okay.
And then click add user.
Add user.
Yeah.
Okay. And what should the username be? Should it be root?
Do student with the password student.
Okay. Student with password student. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Click next.
And then, yeah, cool. That's the one I have. Next. And I think it failed here is what happened when I did it the first time.
Okay.
Let's see if it fails again. Oh, wait, it worked. Okay, cool.
Click finish.
Finish. I think that's all I had to do.
Yep, that should be
good. I have to mess with the route. Yeah, okay. So let's go back to Workbench. Password. Save it. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Well, it worked.
Yep.
Well, thank you very much.
And the thing is, like now, because I think I'm going to guess that the majority of these exercises are going to have you use like the command prompt. Just use Workbench.
Got it.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Yeah, can do. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
No problem. Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, I'll be hanging out for the next little bit. If you need anything else, pop back on, or I'll talk to you later.
Last thing.
Sure.
The permissions or whatever it was that was part of the reading. Am I supposed to do that in command? I'm sure it tells me. Where is it at? I'm supposed to set permissions or something.
Oh, actually, you just did.
Oh, I did the provisioning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you did it already. I mean, you can go ahead
awesome.
and go ahead with the command prompt and do that stuff just for the experience of it.
Sure.
But you
okay.
just want to create the user, but you've already done that already. So yeah, just go through it, and then you get in step 2, you're creating a table.
Perfect.
So,
okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yep.